As of December 2025, Teslas don't have a complete off switch for regenerative braking, or regen, in their standard settings. Regen is built into the vehicle's efficiency and safety systems to recapture energy while decelerating. However, you can minimize its effect through the car's settings. This section explains the limitations. To access regenerative braking settings on your Tesla, start by navigating to the Controls menu on the touchscreen. From Controls, select the Driving submenu to access driving-related settings. In the Driving menu, locate the Regenerative Braking option. Here you'll find options like Low, Standard, and High. Setting it to Low will minimize regenerative braking, creating a feel similar to traditional gasoline vehicles when you lift off the accelerator. Low regen provides the least amount of braking force when you release the accelerator, allowing the car to coast more freely. Standard, or moderate, offers a balance between energy recovery and a natural driving feel. High maximizes energy recapture, effectively slowing the car down more aggressively when you lift off the accelerator. High regenerative braking provides a one-pedal driving experience. When you lift off the accelerator, the car slows down significantly, reducing the need for the brake pedal and creating a smoother ride. Low regenerative braking requires more frequent use of the brake pedal, similar to driving a traditional car. This setting provides a more familiar driving feel, but may result in slightly reduced efficiency. Adjusting regenerative braking changes your reliance on the brake pedal and influences driving smoothness. Higher settings make stopping feel more natural with less pedal work, while lower settings give you more control over deceleration. Higher regen levels can increase your Tesla's range, especially in stop-and-go traffic, potentially improving efficiency by 5 to 10%. Low regen might slightly reduce range as less energy is recaptured. However, on long highway trips, the difference might be less noticeable. Briefly display a range comparison chart. Tesla integrates regenerative braking for both safety and efficiency. The system helps reduce brake wear by sharing deceleration duties between regenerative and mechanical brakes. This reduces wear on traditional brake pads, extending their life and improving safety. Regenerative braking also maximizes energy recovery, converting kinetic energy back into battery power for better efficiency and range. Full disablement is unlikely because safety regulations require some regenerative braking to reduce brake wear. However, Tesla might introduce finer controls in future updates based on user feedback. Some Tesla models offer a neutral mode, which allows free coasting without regenerative braking. This is particularly useful for downhill descents where you want to control your speed naturally. However, it's not intended as a brake-off option and shouldn't be used as a substitute for properly adjusting your regenerative braking settings. The trend in Tesla's regenerative braking is moving toward greater customization. Future software updates are expected to include more precise controls, such as regen strength sliders that allow drivers to adjust regen from 0 to 100%. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence could take over regen management. AI systems would adapt braking strength to real-time traffic patterns, road conditions, and driving habits, maximizing energy recovery automatically. This would eliminate the need for constant manual tweaks while maintaining optimal efficiency. Tesla's upcoming Model 2, rumored for release around 2026, is expected to include advanced adaptive regen technology. This system would learn individual driving patterns and automatically adjust braking strength, creating a more personalized and efficient experience tailored to each driver. Overall, these future trends in regenerative braking customization and AI integration promise to make Tesla vehicles even more efficient, personalized, and user-friendly.